Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this lovely unit. It's a 360 wig. I made it for one of my clients, and it is a AliExpress vendor, and the hair is HJ, I believe it's HJ. I'm not too sure. If not, I'm definitely going to put the links in the description box below. So I recorded this part on my phone, and I guess the way I recorded it is making this particular session flip like this, but the rest of the video is gonna turn back the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so after 30 minutes, it's time to wash it out. Okay, I do let that purple shampoo sit in there for like at least 10 minutes. Okay, so now what we're going to do is bleach the not bleach, oh my god, tint your lace. The reason why I'm tinting the lace is because this is for a client, and her lace is her skin color is darker than mine, so I'm trying to get the lace to be a little bit darker than it is now. It's more like a green color, so the color I'm using is Adore's Sienna Brown, and basically boiled hot water. So you pour that into the boiling hot water. I don't measure it, I just eyeball it. I wait until it gets like that dark brown color that you see there, and I am going to cut a test strip off of the back of the 360, because you know you're gonna cut that part off anyways. So I do cut a test strip off of that just to test it out, to see how long I need to let that lace soak in there. And you don't have to worry about the color dyeing the hair, because it does not dye your hair. It literally just tint your lace. That's all that it does. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm cutting my test strip, and I'm going to let that sit in there. I think I let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, and I tested it out to see if it changed its color. I ended up using my daughter's arm, because my client is like the same color as my daughter's. Like my daughter's like a nice dark brown. So I ended up using that to see if it was going to be closer than what you see there. And I'm just showing you the difference of when you tint your lace. It's a huge difference. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so as you can see, that's the test strip, and it matches my daughter's skin color perfectly. That's like the look I was looking for. So after 10 minutes, I think I left it in for like 10-15 minutes. After that, I just made sure that it was perfect before I poured the water out, and I basically just rinsed it out with some warm water. I didn't have to clean it again and stuff like that. I just literally just ran some water through it just to get the excess stuff off of it. Okay, so the next day I went to install this lovely unit on her head. So basically, you put on your stocking cap, and I used the Got2b freeze spray hold, and I just blow dry that until it gets basically sticks to her hair, and then I'm going to use my scissor to cut the excess lace off, because I'm just want to cut off that thick band so it blends a little bit more. You don't have to. Some people wear it with it. I wear it with the thick band. I don't know, but it'll blend better for her. Okay, so I'm just making sure the lace is positioned right before I cut it. So now I'm just cutting the excess lace in the front off, and then also around her ear so it can sit better. Okay, so now I'm just using a little bit of rubbing alcohol to get any makeup that she might have on, any dirt, grease, anything off that area before I put the glue down to install. And the glue that I am using is Bold Hold. I love this glue. It lasts for pretty long. It can last up to like 2-3 weeks, maybe a month, depending on, I guess, your daily activity. And it's also, they say it's also waterproof. I don't know, I never tested it in the water. I use it sometimes myself, but I would have to double check on that one. Okay, so now I'm just wrapping the styling edge paper around her head just to make sure that gets really tacked down while that's letting the rest of it air dry after I blew dry it a little bit. So I'm just using my water and conditioner, spraying it all over her hair just to, run my finger through it and get it, looking nice and wet and wavy like she wants it. The stuff I can say about the hair is that the hair was very, very soft. It was like unbelievably soft. And then, of course, it's curly hair, so you do have like some shedding with it, but it was like very, very minimal. And once again, the hair that I got was HC hair from it's an AliExpress vendor. It was, and the shipping was pretty fast. The inches that she got was, I believe, 20, 18, 16, and a 14-inch 360, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, but the hair was pretty soft, and right now I'm just, laying down the baby hairs. And here you go, guys, the final look. I ended up loving it. It was, like I said, the hair's really soft. It's good. She's good to go. She can wear it up, down, whatever she wants. Don't forget to hit that like button. Comment down below if you would like me to go more in detail of how I install my lace frontals, my 360s, whichever one. If you want me to go more in depth about the tinting, I can do that. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, and I'll put the link for this hair in the description box below. Until then, have a great day.